And then we're going to take this finger, and at the countdown of 3, we're going to launch. 3, 2, 1, launch!
Wow!
Yeah!
Skin!
Look at yours, is still flying.
Gavin still went all the way out there.
Again! Aiden!
The sun's one's working pretty
You guys
good.
want to wait so that you can put even?
There's a third one.
Yeah, who is next?
Yeah, who's next?
You know what? It happens. We'll wait till the lunch. Everyone good? That one's just on a little too tight, right?
Oh wait, no, you use your separate one. You use your. Mine will be here.
Right over there, buddy. You have to do it.
All right, we're gonna leave it off now, okay? Because we were gonna wait for the people, all right?
I went far again, huh?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Good job. Come on,
Not
Gavin.
yet, right? The first thing
Mine
we're
is
gonna do.
world champion.
It's all clear, right? All right. Turn the key to the arm.
Oh, look at your nose cone. Look, it's got some
Yeah,
dents
you did
in
great.
it.
Yep.
It's still there, though.
Not yet, okay? Hang on one second. We'll wait for the next Take this finger, and on the count of 3, we're gonna launch, okay? So 3,
Here, Gavin, go like this. Go like this.
launch.
Go.
Nice job, look at it go.
Wow!
All right, now you gotta go
Oh,
get
it's
it.
the world champion. Like
All right,
mine.
next.
Look at this, the
We're gonna.
world.
Okay, Gavin, that's your rocket. Where's... Okay. Well, he's on the number 1.
Nobody was killed.
Gavin, you're on the number 1.
There's the chair.
Not yet, anyway.
Even Gemini.
Yeah, Gavin's number 1.
Nobody died.
Oh, buddy. You're doing that one more right there.
All right, who else has a rocket? Give it to him. He'll check it. All right. Here's something most people don't realize about tape. It's stronger in one direction than the other. It's very weak in the horizontal, very strong in the vertical. That's why you need to put tape in the up and down direction when putting your nose cone on. Some people in the rocket building station,
Yeah,
where they haven't learned it because they haven't been out here to see any nose cones.
Or I can take it to the where they get them.
Pork chop, crack.
And we should make them come out here and see somebody cry.
Drop to the ground. We don't know who's on.
I'll just keep them here. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, he did a lot of work on that one. Go get a new one.
Okay. So we got tape all the way around. Did you save a spot for her? Or are we got 3 on there? Okay, so we're gonna hold up. Okay, we're gonna have you launch. Okay, check the range. No dogs, people, go karts, UFOs, birds. Okay, turn your keys on to the right position, arm. We're gonna do 3-second countdown, and you're gonna use your thumb to push the button.
Right there, we don't push it.
All right, in 3, 2, 1.
Gavin!
Press the button.
Gavin, press!
Wow.
Oh my goodness!
Man, you crushed it, buddy.
You got a long way to go to get
Now go get it. Go get it, Gavin.
your legs
Go,
doing.
go get it.
Go get it.
The people can go out of time. This is my second time. I want to
Run.
I did no different. Guys, I could use airplane on a spaceship. Spaceship International.
No, let Gavin come back with it.
Papa, astronaut.
Ashley, we'll meet
Come
you
on,
at the
Cassey.
food.
I'm gonna send this all the way up to the.
We'll meet you at the food. Do you hear me?
We're gonna be sitting here and staying all night.
Gavin, come here. Gavin, come here.
Mine's called rocket.
Your rocket is awesome, huh? Ate Cassey, come here.
So how's it look after it flew? Oh, it's a little dented. It's a lot dented.
Are we ready? Is the range clear?
Yes.
On position. Okay, we're gonna use our thumbs on the button. We're gonna launch in 3, 2, 1.
Did you see how high that went? That was insane. That was insane.
Okay, here you go, Gavin.
Yeah, Gavin, you're really going to space.
Don't pull that. There we go.
Hi, Gavin.
Give us a thumbs up, Gavin. Give us a thumbs up.
All right. Here we go.
Bye-bye, Gavin.
Okay, you're going to outer space.
I'll make you go into space.
Gavin gonna go into the outer space. I don't want to go in there. Look what it's doing. Oh no. There you go. Gavin, where's that?
So how's your space ride?
In 10-1X.
That's his dream.
Back to Earth.
How is it? Awesome?
Did you see the moon?
Wow, awesome.
Now what about the Gemini over here?
So just see if it's going that way there.
Here, look at that. They got the Gemini one here. The Gemini, you and Cassey can go.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to go.
Well, why not? Just be as partners with Gavin.
You're gonna go there? You're gonna go there?
Well, might as well. Gavin, you want to go in this one? You want to go in this one next? It's Gemini. Well, we got to get in line. So you're gonna go in this one?
Go either side. Okay.
Where are you gonna go in that one?
Who's going with? You going with?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Come on.
Yeah, there's some handles right here.
Oh, put the handles. You got the handles.
They're better for the big kids. The little kids can just hold them in and scooch around.
Okay, come on. We're both gonna go to the moon, right?
And you're back? All right. You're a natural astronaut.
Yeah, that's what he says. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
It's okay. Thank you. Now, walk over.
Oh.
Target.
What's that?
Clear the field. Clear the field.
Floor.
Omar!
Come on. Come on.
Is that his racket?
Oh, I think his rocket is on the roof. See it?
Your rocket's on the roof.
It's funny how the cone failed yesterday, right? Yeah. It's not inside.
Vous lancez et moi je vais faire la cloque de terrain.
Engineer.
No, I'm not gonna be in.
No, it's not on the roof.
I'm gonna be in Oshkosh.
Okay.
Thank you inside. This is why I came here to put my dad rocking here.
Okay. We are ready. The field is clear. So now you can arm your rocket. Arm your rocket. Show me your pointer finger. We're going to launch with this finger when I count down. Are you ready, sir?
Je te filme Antoine. Antoine.
Gavin, are you ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh!
Uh-oh, we didn't see that person. So sorry, sir. You're the target.
Okay, Cassey, go. Gavin, go get your rocket.
T'es bien ou pas Antoine? So Charles, you're number 2.
Oh, you got it. Come on out here.
I'm sorry.
I guess they're getting rocketed.
It might disintegrate, so then there's tears.
That's a good one. That's probably good 20 launches.
Charles.
When you're ready, go to your rocket station. All right, Niles, put your hands on the table.
Charles. Là sur la table. Écoute ce qu'elle te dit. Charles, écoute ce qu'elle te dit.
People? Okay. I am air traffic control. I tell you when. So first, you need to tell me if it's clear out there.
Clear out there?
Clear out there. Here's on our lights.
All clear.
Good job. Arm the rockets. Turn that key. Okay, show me your pointer finger. We're gonna launch when I count down. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh my goodness!
Porque você foi mais alto que todos, meu.
Let's see that one. Is it take this?
Vamos agora pra cá.
There we go. Man your rocket stations. Up. Get away.
Okay, come on, Cassey.
Thank you, Gavin.
My rocket's in the ball.
It is. You dropped your glasses.
Like before.
Ready?
Oh, so look at the nose cone, the damage on it. Here, let's see.
Safety check the field. Are we gonna hit anybody? So it's all clear. She said, all clear. You're gonna arm your rocket. Turn your key. Okay, now with one finger, we're gonna launch. When I count down, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here.
Mine's spinning.
Get
Yes! What happened to mine? Did you
I
see
don't
it blew apart?
It's your job to watch it.
It went into the ground.
Wait, who's blew apart?